Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a kitchen set of utensils. So we're gonna open this up and I'll show you guys how they all look and stuff before I give them to my child who I got them for. So he had got a new apartment. So let's see what we got in here. So we have, I'm not sure what this one is. We'll look it up in a second. We'll look up what all these pieces and parts are here in a second. We got a lot of parts. We have a lot of spoons and a lot of spatulas and a lot of everything. Look at all this stuff. Oh my gosh, it's a very nice comprehensive kit, which is what he needs, new apartment. Okay, so everything's out of the box now. And here's gonna be our instruction sheet explaining what each of the things are and how to put things together. So look at this. This is just our instruction guide of how to put things together. I think the different tools are up to me to figure out, I guess. So let's see. Okay, so this is going to be the rack. So let's see. So it's going to have, this is the base. Can you all see? No, there, you can see here the base. And then we will put the long piece into that base. And there it is. And then this goes, push that down into the top. So there we go. So now we have a functioning stand for some of our utensils. Pretty nice. Okay, so let's see all the stuff we got in here. So we have a cute little plastic bucket to put our stuff in. We've got a nice spatula, and I love this silicone stuff. If you've seen some of my other videos, everything's silicone, and I have another set that's almost like this just for myself, so I know these are gonna last. I've been using them a year or two, and they look brand new. And we have a soup spoon, very nice. It's got a little bit of flex to it, but very good. Can suck up a lot of soup with that. We have a basting brush, so that'll be nice for barbecuing or grilling or anything. We have another spatula-ish kind of spoon spatula. That one's very flat, and this one here's got a bit of a spoonish kind of in it. Very nice. We have a traditional spatula, making eggs and things. We have another non-slotted one. So this is just a one there. Picking up cookies or something that might ooze through. We have another spoon here. We have a spoon, just a little bit bigger, and rice and whatnot I can use it for. This one here's another spoon with a hole in it, so that's good for liquid stuff. Actually, we just made chili the other day and stuff, so that would be good to keep it, just so you don't get the goop in it, so if you want it dry. We have a spaghetti fork. Very nice, sir. That's gonna be good. And you look at these are just such quality made. It's good, they don't have a lot of extra junk on there. You don't have to clean them up. See, what other pieces do we have? So we have, okay, so I think that's it for this part of it. So that's what goes in there. We have our stand, and then we can put the stand, we could hang things up, I guess, on the stand. I'm not sure exactly how. We'll figure that out in a second. We have this little device here. I'm not sure what this is going to be for. I'll figure that out in a minute. Oh, this stand is going to be for these things. Look at all these utensils we got. So we have a whole measuring cup set. So check this out. We got two measuring cup sets. So we have the little ones with the little teaspoons, an eighth of a teaspoon, all the way up to 1 tablespoon. So we have all those, and so those are gonna go onto this. We have the cup ones, so we have 1/8 of a cup all the way up to 1 cup. So that'll be good for that. We have some tongs. So these are kind of cool. If you haven't used these ones here, you push it in to make it open, and then if you wanna keep it closed, you do that. Hang the tongs up over here as well. We have a little, these are funny. Does it have 2 of these? Yeah, 2 of these. So these are like, you know, little silicone grabbers, so you can grab hot stuff. I have these, I just always forget to use them, but these are perfect. I mean, this would be ideal. So nice, silicone keeps you nice and cool. So it looks like they have, we can hang these up on there as well. Oh, I hung them both up on the same hook, but that's probably what that, oh no, here we go. And then we have this one here. It's kind of funny, it's a very flexible one. So this one here is like where you have the drippy spoon, you can put it in there to keep your counter clean while you do it. So I'll hang that up as well. So there, that's full of stuff at the moment. And then I'm not sure what this hook is, maybe it'll hold it. we have these. These are kind of scrapers. These are cool. I'll open this up. Oh, I think there's something else over there that I missed. Okay, but I'll show you. So we have this. It's a nice little scraper. It's kind of hard plastic, so it's not quite silicone. I'm not sure if this will take the heat as much as the other things will, but maybe. But if I have a bowl and I make my cookies into my KitchenAid mixer, I can scrape it out with this. We got 2 of those, so I don't need to open the other one. We have, I forgot to open this. Look at this, a whisk. So making the eggs and pancake batter and things like that, we got the whisk. So that'll go in here too. So what is this? Is this an apron maybe? I don't know. I'm trying to look at the picture on the box. If you see me looking inside, I'm trying to look. So this is kind of like how it, it shows what those things are. So it doesn't really show this or these or this. These are all just bonuses that I wasn't even sure I was getting. How funny is that? So let's see. So this is an apron. Look at this. So it's a nice black apron. Cool. There we go. So I can have my apron on when I cook. I don't know what it's made of. It looks like it's not traditionally cotton-ish. It's kind of like one of those banquet tablecloths where it's like smooth. I don't know if you can see. It's like almost like nylon. So I guess that would probably be good to keep it. If you have, things in there, it's not going to get all wet and stuff. It'll probably, slough off. And then let's see what is this stuff here. So we got these hooks, and we have this that we still need to figure out. So let's see what these are for here. I'm gonna say I'm not sure. Why would it have these hooks in that? I'm gonna have to look these up and see what it is. But look at all these hooks. You got all these S hooks. Remember that Barrel of Monkeys game where you could do that? I could just play Barrel of Monkeys with these and just try to connect them all up. But maybe if I had like a rack somewhere, I could use this to hang some of these utensils on. Will these things hang from this? Yes, they absolutely will. So that's probably what it is. If you wanted to hang these rather than have them in the bucket, you could probably do that. That's probably what I'm going to say these are for. So I'm probably right about the same amount of these as those. So that's probably what those are going to be for. So now this might just be a drying rack. So when you clean them, you can just put them right there and they'll dry and drip into here versus dripping. Or if you had multiple things, instead of just using a single spoon one, you could probably have multiple devices on this one here and to keep them all from dripping all over your counter. I'm going to say that's what this is for. That's going to be my professional guess because it's made out of hard plastic. I don't think it's something that's going to be heated up. So that's what that one's for. So I'm going to say that's pretty cool. And this is a really nice little set. You got a whole lot of stuff. You got everything you could possibly ask for. So very cool for me. You got all the different spatulas. You got the scrapers. You got this drying rack. You have the hooks, even if you need them. So thumbs up from me on this. This is it here. It's by Krystal Plastic. And the link's in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.